Hello everyone, my name is Aram. I'm a landscape architect. A while ago I posted this video, and today I'll show you how to add these animated characters, make them interact with the light, and using same technique we will make this lightwave effect using Twinmotion. To add pedestrians to your scene, go to the context menu, path, then character path. Set the beginning and end of your path, and basically you're done. Feel free to play with the setting to change your character dressing code and density. Going back to the context menu, let's add a custom pass. Same as before, pick the start and the end of your pass and you should get this default cube. You can replace it by anything from the library. In our case, we want animated characters. Simply click, drag, and drop. To change the animation, click on the character icon, switch the pose from idle to special, and the animation to scooter. Then reselect your custom pass, lower the speed, and remove the delay. I want my character to clip more smoothly. To do that, let's extend the end and beginning of each path. And notice how they fall. This is because you always need a surface under your paths, which is extremely useful for climbing stairs animation. However, it's not our case. The workaround will be adding a transparent plane from the primitives objects. After placing your plane, duplicate it by dragging and holding Shift. Make sure you pick Instance. To make it invisible, apply glass material and lower the opacity to 0. Going to the Tools menu, add a section cube, place it on the edge, and then lower the thickness. You can change the color of the cut, but that part is optional. Now copy to the other side and use the same settings. To achieve the silhouette effect, go to Settings, Camera, Visual Effect, and Clay Render. Turn it on, unselect everything except the characters, then pick your favorite color. You're now done with the first part of the tutorial. Next we do the interactive lighting. Okay, let's start by switching time of the day to midnight, hide your character paths, and add an omnilight. We need to use translator from the animators tools. Basically, I want my light to stay hidden under the rail and only move up when a character is nearby. Make sure to turn on shadows and adjust settings to your liking. Now go to Tools, Animators, Translators, and add a translator above the light. Switch the trigger on, change animation to once, and put the light inside the translator. Think about the translator as a container that moves everything inside it once the trigger gets activated. You can increase the range of the trigger and change what caused the trigger to get activated. In our case, I only want the pedestrian path. And now let's switch to the top view and erase the translator container by dragging and holding Shift. Don't forget to pick Instance. It is important to stay organized, so let's create a new container and call it Light Path. Then move all the instances inside it. Now, turn back on your character path and let's see what happened. Last thing we need to do is checking the distance in one of the translator and move the light path container the same distance in the opposite direction. Okay, looking good. We just made interactive parametric lighting. And now for the last part, we're going to repeat the same steps, but instead of using lighting, we're going to use primitive sphere, scale them down, and give them a neon material. And now we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and looking forward to see your creations. Have a good one. Bye bye.